What's up guys, you're watching my next best, and in this video we've got this Galax Pro multi-purpose tool. This is the 400 watts version. This is kind of the box that you get when you buy this. What do we have here? We've got this multi-purpose tool, 400 watts AC professional power tools. It's the 230 to 240 50 hertz plug, powerful motor, 4.5 oscillations angle, so 4.5 degrees oscillations angle, 4 variable speed. It's also got the quick release function, so you can obviously swap the blades when you want to. And there's EC representation. On this side you've got voltage and frequency mentioned, 400 watts input power, and this is I think 3.5 amps. Load speed is 15,000 to 22,000 per minute. Made in China. Okay, so the company is German based, but it's made in China, so that's what it is. So we're going to be looking at this specific item. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we've got inside. Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and there will all be exclusive discounts through My Next Best. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we're stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. Right, so we've got... As you get inside, you see some standing papers of different grit levels. Plastic bag. I'm going to just leave this side. There's obviously a replacement blade as well, and the circular saw as well. It's not cordless. This is corded one. And let's get it out of the box. Looks quite big and massive. I know people would rather prefer to have cordless version of this specific item, or specific item that's more easy to use. But yeah, this is the corded version. It's heavy, just so you know, it's quite heavy. This is kind of the button up top, quick release function. As soon as you put the blade, you can connect it, and then you get this option to use the handheld on the side. Nice and simple, and you get the option to hold it like that. If you prefer the left hand, you can also connect it on the other side over here. Yeah, all set. You'd rather prefer this, I suppose, with the body being held firmly with your right hand. If you're right-handed, that could be the other option. Fairly long cable, about 1.52 meters, I think. You've got the rotor at the bottom, the motor that sits inside over here, and yeah, really nothing much. It's very small form factor, simple design, simple set of options. But yeah, at the bottom you've got the speed adjustment. 6 is the kind of the highest, but you can go down from 1, starting 1 to 6. 6 is the highest, as I mentioned. So yeah, so that's what we have. And you also get the warranty instructions in the box. 30 days money back guarantee, and 3 months to 24 months. Within 24 months we provide timely and effective online after sales service. This is kind of the warranty card. And then there's this user manual which talks about specifications of this item, safety instructions and operating voltage, parts and components of this device, warnings, and some specific sawing, cutting, different use cases where you want to use this specific item, what else, scraping, and in other languages as well. So a very simple set of booklet. I like this one actually because it's simply talking about usage and general specifications. It doesn't sort of go deep into what the components are. Like, it's good to know what the components are, but the usage is more important for people in general. Without wasting much time, I'm going to quickly connect it to a blade. So this is kind of the generic multi-tool blade that we use. So I'm going to quickly connect this in the front. Okay, so let me pull this one out and see if this guy can fit in there. Yes, it does. And then all we need to do is we need to pull this lever, make sure that it's fitted in the right place. It's actually going to do that on its own. It's all ready now, and the blade is all ready to start using. So I'm going to connect it to a power source, which is my battery, and it will turn on. Now connected it to the mains on the battery. I'm going to turn this on. And as soon as I connected this, it started to sort of smell of burning wires and stuff. It obviously does work. So now level 1 at the moment. I'm going to go to level 2 now. That's very fast, in fact. Level 2, level 3 now. Level 4, level 5, and level 6 is the highest. It does make a lot of sound, as you can see. Very, very loud. But it's going to cut anything off for sure. This is kind of very fast. So yeah, there you have it. This is the Galax Pro, and I'm gonna maybe switch to another of these blades. There was also circular blade. Yeah, this is kind of the half circular blade, and let me actually switch to this one. Easy, just swap, pull this one out. Yep, and then pull this guy out. And then put this one in. And it's going to be in this direction. So I'm going to push this guy in. It folds into place. And now just getting this to be locked. It just folds into its place on its own. Use the Galax Pro in the front. That's kind of the way that you'd use this. Hold the handle and then turn this guy on. To do all your cutting jobs. That kind of work, like to get some finer adjustments to your wood. This is at the highest level at the moment, number 6, but you can obviously go down to the lower level, number 1. This is kind of slightly subtle and easy to use. But yeah, there you have it, Galax Pro. This is the 400 watts version, multi-tool. If you've got any questions or queries pertaining to this or any other items that we have reviewed recently, please do reach out. Please feel free to add any comments, questions, queries in the comments section, or you can send us an email. That's all possible. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.